Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards, everybody. Today we're going to Cruikshank Canyon in Strathcona Park, British Columbia. It's a bit of a rainy morning tonight.
No, the zipper's ring the other side.
Started raining a bit. So I think you could say with some certainty that this is not an ugly lake. This is like the god of cairns. Yes. Misty meadows. We just arrived at Cruikshank Canyon, and you can really see that this is on the edge of the world, and the views that are normally spectacular are also spectacular, but just you can't see much. It's a savage drop off.
Dad, don't go too close. Lay down.
It's nice little valley, but they're gonna log it.
Yeah.
The flat zone there and stuff. Sure.
So it cleared up a bit and you can see the new logging down there.